Hi everyone, I'm Sean, the head vet at tails.com, and I want to talk to you about a condition that can be more common at Christmas time. It's to do with diet and food, and often dogs scavenging some things they shouldn't over Christmas. It's called pancreatitis. Causes of pancreatitis can be difficult to determine in some dogs. Some breeds, like miniature schnauzers for example, are just more genetically prone to pancreatitis, and it can happen at any time. Most of the time though, dogs tend to have eaten something they shouldn't. So if a dog is a scavenger, they can often be more prone to pancreatitis. If you're feeding them very fatty treats, often that causes the issue as well, because the pancreas is responsible for breaking down the fat. It produces an enzyme called lipase, and if they have a very fatty meal, excess lipase will be produced, and sometimes the pancreas can become inflamed. So it's really, really important that we don't feed our dogs really fatty treats. Things like sausages and fatty meats and so on are out. They can cause pancreatitis. Symptoms of pancreatitis in dogs can vary quite a lot, but the common ones are loss of appetite. Your dog just won't want to eat. They tend to have abdominal pain, and that can manifest as altered position. So some dogs will go into what's called a praying position, and they'll have their legs outstretched and they'll be laying down on the floor with their back legs up. So it looks like they're almost praying. They can also be standing quite stiffly and just feel uncomfortable in the abdomen if you have a little feel of it. Other things can be vomiting. That can be quite common with pancreatitis as it gets inflamed and causes a bit of irritation in the stomach. And sometimes a dog will excessively lick their lips or smack their lips, which can also be a sign of abdominal pain. Pancreatitis can be quite a serious disease. It does need urgent veterinary treatment if your dog is showing any signs. So loss of appetite, abdominal pain, vomiting, always worth a vet check. Normally treatment is aimed at reducing the pain, giving anti-sickness medication and potentially putting them on fluids if they have been vomiting. It's a very treatable and manageable disease, but urgent vet care is really important. So if in doubt, get them checked.